51 individuals died in tractor-involved incidents working on Michigan farms between 2011 and 2020. In this video, we'll talk about one type of tractor-related event and how to prevent it. A farmer was repairing his tractor in the barn. The tractor was running. The tractor accidentally shifted into gear and began moving backwards. The farmer tried to climb on to shift the tractor out of gear. However, he became caught between the dual front tires. The tractor crashed through the barn wall and into a nearby field. The farmer was dragged 500 yards. He was crushed by the tractor with each tire rotation. Unfortunately, this type of incident is not unusual. There were 10 deaths between 2011 and 2020 where an individual was run over after starting their tractor. To prevent similar deaths, if tractor repairs are required, a proper tractor shutdown is essential. Disengage the power takeoff. Ensure all implements are lowered to the ground. Place all controls in the neutral position. Place the transmission in park or, for manual transmissions, the lowest gear. Set the parking brake. If the engine must be running during the repair, make sure to engage the parking brake and block tractor movement using the correct size wheel chocks, or lift the rear axle from the ground high enough that the tires are suspended. If during the repairs the tractor begins to move, as was the case in this event, the operator should remain clear of its path and not attempt to remount the tractor until it comes to a complete stop. Farming can be a dangerous job, but there are ways to reduce your chances of injury or death. More information on how to keep you, your family, and your workers safe can be found at this website.